Managing a modern workforce requires a balance of efficiency, engagement, and adaptability, qualities that traditional HR systems often fail to provide. HiBob HR, also known as Bob, is a next generation HR platform designed to meet these demands, catering to businesses focused on fostering a connected and motivated workforce. As companies prioritize employee satisfaction and streamline processes, HiBob has emerged as a favorite for its intuitive, people first approach to HR management. HiBob doesn't just function as a traditional HR system, it revolutionizes the way businesses handle employee engagement, data management, and workplace culture. Whether you're a fast growing startup or an established organization, HiBob provides tools to navigate the complexities of modern workforce needs. It enables HR teams to manage tasks like performance tracking, payroll, and benefits, while simultaneously promoting collaboration and cultural alignment across teams. So, this video introduces the essential features and benefits of HiBob HR, guiding beginners through its capabilities to optimize employee management. From automating workflows to fostering employee engagement, HiBob transforms HR from a reactive function into a proactive force for business growth. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the employee data management. HiBob consolidates employee information into a centralized, secure platform. Users can access personal details, job roles, and performance metrics, and organizational charts with ease. This improves data accuracy and streamlines HR tasks by making essential information readily available, saving time for both employees and HR professionals. Another key feature is the customizable workflows. So it automates essential HR processes like employee onboarding, time off approvals, and performance cycles through HiBob's flexible workflow tools. This reduces administrative overhead by simplifying repetitive tasks, allowing HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Another key feature is the performance management. HiBob performance review system allows managers to set objectives, track progress, and provide structured feedback. So the platform supports goal alignment between employees and company objectives. So this drives continuous improvement and helps create clear paths for employee growth, enhancing retention and satisfaction. Another key feature is the culture and engagement tools. HiBob includes features like peer recognition, employee surveys, and interactive company updates to promote engagement. This strengthens workplace culture and encourages collaboration, contributing to a happier and more connected workforce. Another key feature is the time and attendance tracking. So it efficiently track employee attendance, leaves, and absences through HiBob's intuitive interface. The system also integrates with payroll, ensuring accurate compensation data. So this provides HR with clear visibility into workforce availability while minimizing errors in attendance reporting. Another key feature is its seamless integrations. So HiBob integrates with popular tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace, creating a unified ecosystem for collaboration and data sharing. So this enhances productivity by connecting HiBob with systems already in use, reducing the need for duplicate data entry. So basically, why is HiBob HR a great choice? So HiBob is uniquely positioned to address the needs of modern HR teams, especially those managing diverse and distributed workforces. Its emphasis on flexibility and engagement ensures that it not only meets administrative needs, but also supports organizational goals like employee retention and cultural alignment. By making HR processes intuitive and accessible, HiBob empowers teams to create better workplaces and happier employees. So HiBob stands out for its focus on employee experience, which has become a critical differentiator in today's competitive business environment. It offers tools to cultivate a thriving company culture while scaling effortlessly with growing organizations. This makes it a preferred choice for companies aiming to adapt to changing workforce dynamics. So basically, High Bob HR has revolutionized the way companies approach employee management, offering a blend of practicality, engagement, and innovation. Its intuitive design and comprehensive feature set make it a powerful tool for HR teams looking to streamline operations while fostering a connected and motivated workforce. So in 2024, businesses can no longer afford to rely solely on outdated HR processes. So tools like HiBob not only enhance efficiency, but also help build a positive organizational culture, which is crucial for attracting and retaining top talent. So by integrating HiBob into your operations, you're not just improving workflows, so you're investing in the well-being and growth of your team. So whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a large, dispersed organization, HiBob equips you with the tools to succeed. So simply explore HiBob today and unlock the potential of a more connected and efficient workplace. So if you need more information about HiBob, you can always visit their website. And from here, you can always check the pricing. So to get a custom pricing, just simply enter your business email right here and full name, and just follow the steps or the instructions needed to get your demo or your custom pricing. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.